In this video, you will learn how to get your free mystery boxes in OKX. And every mystery box comes with crypto rewards. These rewards may be Bitcoin, Ethereum, OKB, Doge, Phil, Sheeb, DOT, and rebate cards. By the way, what is OKX? It is an innovative cryptocurrency exchange with advanced financial services. OKX is a digital asset trading platform that rely on blockchain technology to provide everything you need. With the lowest transaction fees in the market, it was founded by Star Zoo in 2017. How can I get rewards in OKX? How can I get mystery boxes? Here's how you get your rewards. Step 1. Create your free OKX account. To create your account and receive your reward, go to in the description of this video below. In the sign up page, just enter your mobile number or email address. Next, create your secured password. Here, enter the referral code of your friend who introduced you in OKX. Or use my referral code by clicking the link in the description below. Then, tap Sign Up. Here, enter the verification code sent from your email or mobile number. Download the OKX app. Tap to open the app. Since you already signed up earlier, tap Login here. Enter your email or mobile number that you used during sign up. Next, enter your password. Then, tap Login. During this first login, OKX will give you a reward. Now, I just created my OKX account successfully and got my reward. Step 2. Ask your friends to download the OKX app and ask them to sign up using your referral link. To share your referral link, go to the referral page. Here, you can share your referral link or code with your friends. You can copy your referral code and send it through Facebook, Messenger, and other social media apps. Step 3. Get your reward or open your mystery box. After you share your referral link and your friend signs up, you and your friend will each get a mystery box when your friend logs into the OKX app or crypto purchase worth at least $50 within 30 days from sign up. To claim your reward, tap the notification message at the upper right corner of your OKX dashboard. Tap System Messages. Tap a new message containing your mystery box reward. Then tap the box to claim your reward. Now I just opened it and got my reward. You and your friend will each get another mystery box when your friend makes a single deposit. There is no limit on how many mystery boxes you can receive. The more friends you invite, the more you get. Now that you've learned how to claim rewards in OKX, are you ready to collect yours? Don't miss out. Sign up and start now. It's free. Link in the description below. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.